Ready to find the best kitchen gadgets that will truly revolutionize your cooking? We know meal prep can feel like a chore, but it doesn't have to. We've curated 30 game-changing cooking tools designed to make your time in the kitchen effortless and genuinely fun. These brilliant essentials will completely transform your daily routine. Let's dive into the must-have items that will upgrade your entire culinary experience and bring joy back to your countertop. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Knife Set. Every at-home chef knows that being able to cut your meats seamlessly is ideal. An electric knife makes it all easier, and this one from Hamilton Beach comes with a stainless steel blade and carving fork for all your meat, poultry, and bread needs. You'll need to plug it in to work, but the cord is 5 feet long so you can move around freely. Number 2. The G-Grip Under Cabinet Jar Opener. Upgrade from the old towel when you need to open a lid. This Easy Grip Jar Opener is a great gift idea for grandparents or anyone with arthritis. Mount it right under a kitchen cabinet for quick and easy access. Number 3. Food Hugger's Reusable Silicone Avocado Hugger. For when the recipe only calls for half an avocado, but you don't want the other half to die a slow death, this stretchy silicone avocado sleeve is a lifesaver. It keeps any size sliced avocado fresher for longer, sealing in moisture and locking out air and bacteria so your avu won't turn brown stat. Number 4. Ototo Clean Dreams Kitchen Sponge Holder. Put your sponge to bed after you're done with the dishes with this cute and clever sponge holder that's as funny as it is functional. Sponges can drain and dry without ruining your freshly cleaned kitchen counters, since the Clean Dreams catches drippings. Number 5. Gorilla Grip Dishwasher Magnet Clean Dirty Sign. If your partner can never remember if the dishes are clean or dirty, here's your sign. This strong, water-resistant magnet sticks directly on the dishwasher and is visible and clear, so there's no confusion. Slide it to the clean side to remind them to put dishes away, and dirty to indicate it's cool to load more in. Number 6. Kitchen Metrics Digital Kitchen Food Scale and Measuring Cup. For when the girl math isn't matting, this genius, 2-in-1 digital kitchen food scale and measuring cup makes it virtually impossible to screw up a recipe. The scale provides ultra-precise measurements in multiple units, so there's zero confusion, and doubles as a convenient, removable measuring cup that's easy to clean. Number 7. Kitchen Art Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel. Time is of the essence in the kitchen. If you hate food prep like us, this clever carousel does the dirty work for you, measuring out spices in precise 1/4 teaspoon quantities with a simple twist of the dial. It comes with 55 spice labels, and you can buy more than one carousel and stack them, holding up to 48 spices. Number 8. Syrupy Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. We love a good space-saving, multi-purpose product, and this best-selling drying rack is it. It functions as a heat-resistant trivet for cooling big pots and pans, an over-the-sink drying rack for dishes, and a colander for easily rinsing fruits and veggies. Number 9. Majesty Trends Boil Over Spill Stopper Lid. Your pasta pot won't runneth over when you slap this flexible silicone lid on. It prevents boiling water from splashing out all over your stovetop, mitigating messy spills. It fits any pot or pan with a 6 to 10-inch diameter opening. Number 10. Paromi Herb Scissors Set. Chopping herbs by hand can be time-consuming and potentially painful. Save your hands and the hassle with this ultra-convenient herb scissors set. It's essentially 5 scissor blades screwed together side by side, so you can finely chop scallions, parsley, rosemary, basil, celery, and cilantro more efficiently. Number 11. OXO Good Grips Salad Chopper with Bowl. If you're a little lazy in the kitchen or just short on time, whip up chopped salads with this chopper bowl combo. The pizza wheel-esque blades can handle everything from lettuce and chicken to fruit and veggies. It has a non-slip handle so you don't hurt yourself in the process, and many reviewers rave about the sturdiness and thickness of the bowl. Number 12. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Strainer. Traditional strainers are bulky AF. This collapsible colander clips right onto the side of pots, pans, and bowls to easily drain pasta and veggies at home or in an Airbnb without taking up much precious cabinet space. It's made from heat-resistant silicone and is completely non-slip. Number 13. Pure Wine Wand Wine Filter. Cheers to no more wine headaches or hangovers. This filter purifies all red, white, and sparkling wines, removing histamines and sulfites to enhance the natural flavor, color, and aroma. It also helps preempt all those annoying side effects of drinking, from redness and nausea to headaches and congestion. Number 14. Hompon's Ziploc Bag Stand 6-pack. Cut down on food waste and the mess with these genius baggy rack holders, ideal for meal prep and stashing leftovers. They keep bags open wide enough so you can easily fill them all by yourself. They can also be used as a space-saving drying rack for reusable baggies, making them extra handy. Number 15. Blend Quick Portable Blender. Your blender should be as stylish as you are. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies and pre-gym protein shakes or pureeing baby food, this portable mason jar blender gets the job done beautifully. Blend Quick features 10 stainless steel blades and a rechargeable battery, so you can blend on the go. Then just sip your creations straight out of the jar for the ultimate convenience. Number 16. Yuv Ice Cube Tray with lid and bin. If you don't have a built-in ice maker in your freezer, the struggle is real. Traditional ice cube trays are bulky, inefficient, and without a dedicated place to store all those cubes when you need to make more, which you will. This smart silicone ice cube tray has room to freeze an impressive 55 cubes and solves all your storage and spillage woes. It has a built-in container to hold fresh cubes and an airtight lid to keep them fresh, from absorbing odors and to prevent spills. Number 17. Smart House Clear Soda Can Lids 6-pack. Few things are as blonde-inducing as going back to the fridge for a soda you opened earlier, only to sip it and find it's gone flat. This nifty gadget turns your soda or seltzer cans into a bottle, so you can easily sip and seal your drink without having to worry about losing carbonation. Number 18. Monkey Business Ravioli-Shaped Spoon Rest. It's fun, it's functional, and you can't help but smile every time you use it. This ravioli-shaped spoon rest is easy to clean and will keep your kitchen counters mess-free, whether you're making mac and cheese out of the box or homemade chili. Number 19. Ototo Splatipus Jar Spatula. Getting every last drop of jam out of the jar is way more fun with this cute platypus-shaped spatula that's sure to be a conversation starter. With no sharp edges, it's safe for the kids to use when they're making their own peanut butter and jelly sandwiches too. Number 20. Chef Cob Corn Stripper. If you love corn on the cob, but hate kernels stuck in your teeth, this kid-friendly corn stripper is the solution. It swiftly and simply separates your kernels from the cob without making a giant mess of the kitchen or your mouth. Number 21. Vinglass Wine Bottle Insulator. This stainless steel, double-walled, vacuum-insulated wine chiller from Vinglass will keep your bubbly or favorite white wine chilling all afternoon long as you dine al fresco. This is basically a must-have kitchen gadget for any serious wine lover. Number 22. Just Solutions Anti-Soggy Cereal Bowl. If you know someone who hates soggy cereal, raise his hand. This is the ultimate BPA-free bowl for them. Your puffs go in one side, while your milk goes in the other. So, you can dip in your milk and achieve just the right amount of crunch. It's also perfect for chips and dip, toddler meals, and picky eaters who cringe at the thought of their food touching. Number 23. Miele Baby 5-Piece Mini Baking Tool Set. Embrace the mess with this adorable baking set, so littles can help whip up brownies and babkas without stealing all your stuff. This cute and colorful set comes with a mini rolling pin, turner, whisk, spatula, and basting brush crafted with soft, food-grade silicone on the outside and sturdy stainless steel on the inside. Add them to the play kitchen for endless pretend plan fun when you're done. Number 24. Fryaway Pan Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier. Save your drains and reduce your cooking carbon footprint with this popular plant-based oil solidifier. It's one of those things you'll wonder how you ever lived without. You simply sprinkle and stir it into hot oil once you're done cooking and wait until it's fully dissolved. Once cooled and solidified, simply toss it in the trash, where it'll break down in a landfill in about 30 days. Number 25. Chico Digital Bottle Warmer and Sterilizer. If you're a new parent, trust us when we say you need this. The 2-in-1 digital bottle warmer and sterilizer makes all those middle-of-the-night feeds a million times faster heating bottles to the perfect temperature so you can get your fussy babe fed ASAP and then get yourself right back to dreamland. It also doubles as a sterilizer to clean dirty bottles in between feedings, so you're not doing it all by hand. Use it with both breast milk, including thawing frozen milk bags, and formula. Number 26. VoChill Stemmed Wine Glass Chiller. Because there are few things that are gross in the way that hot wine is, this gorgeous gadget ensures your glass always stays chilled even when it's warm out. It keeps glasses chilled for up to an hour inside and 45 minutes in the shade outside. Simply pop it in the freezer 3 hours before using. Number 27. Bosca Reusable Non-Stick Toaster Bags. Keep your toaster fresh and clean with these reusable toaster bags, which eliminate the hassle of cleanup. They're also perfect for anyone with food allergies, as the woven fiberglass bags feature a PTFE coating that prevents cross-contamination, so you can safely use your kitchen devices without worry. These toaster bags come in a set of 3, are dishwasher safe, and are good for using 50 times before throwing them out. Number 28. Amswish Chicken Egg Separator. This novelty chicken egg separator will make you want to eat healthier. To use, simply break the egg into the ceramic separator and then pour the egg white straight out of the chick's mouth. Number 29. Durkio Overnight Oats Containers 4-pack. Calling all overnight oats lovers. This colorful 4-piece set of 16-ounce glass jars features measurement markings for precise prep and a stainless steel spoon with a spoon holder on the jar for easy portability. They work great for everything from yogurt parfaits and overnight oats to on-the-go fruits and salads. Number 30. MR Lid Premium Attached Food Storage Containers. Searching for the right Tupperware lid after you've just slaved away in the kitchen making dinner for the last couple of hours is a special kind of annoying. These popular Mr. Lid food storage containers come with a lid permanently attached, so you literally can't misplace them. Genius, right?
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.